How to manage who can see posts that you are tagged in on your profile on Facebook PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to Facebook, this is the home page. Now all what you have to do, go to the top corner, click here, click on settings and privacy, click on settings again here, and it will take you to this page. Right here you will find many options. As you can see, all what you have to do is click here on this profile and tag in option. After you click on it, now all what you have to do is go to tag in right here and choose here who can see if you want. After you choose, just click like this and it's gonna be updated. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.